A little chilly today. Jeremy has injured himself. Lawyer offices. I don't know how long and how wide it is, but I'm in my shorts. Sometimes you have to wait. That's the new McDonald's. We used to go in that red building right there. Post office. A little chilly today. I think it's 12:30. I'm going to go have lunch to a new Mexican restaurant over there in Wildwood I've never been to and meet somebody. 60 degrees as of right now, but as you can see, it's a nice day, nice and sunny. A little chilly for people here, but you know, 60 degrees, it doesn't bother me. Okay, we got fitted furniture guy Jeremy coming in this home, and he's going to totally remodel this closet. This is the new house down in the village of DeLuna, and I'm going to do a before and after. So today we're going to do the before because Jeremy has injured himself, and so they're not going to do this closet till probably the first part of December, and I'm going to get this out of the way while we're down here. It's a pretty good sized walk-in closet, I think. I don't know how long and how wide it is, but it's pretty decent size. Jeremy's going to come in here. My understanding is he's tearing all this out and he's going to custom make cabinets to their specifications, whatever it may be, drawers and doors and all kinds of stuff. And then he's going to come in here and he'll fit all that in here, thus the name Fitted Furniture. And I'll come back and I'll talk to Jeremy and we'll watch him install it, and I'll get as much video as I possibly can. As long as these people let me do it, I'll come in here and we'll do it. And then to give you guys an idea of what Jeremy does. I'm on a waiting list, waiting for Jeremy to come to my house and draw some plans up for me. Right here at Powell Road and 44, across the street over there, that's the new McDonald's that they built. That's Spar Supply. It's kind of like a Tractor Supply, but here it's called Spar. It's a family-owned business. I like going in there. I just got a feeling, though, they may not be there much longer. They sold off part of the parking lot for that McDonald's. All this is just outside the villages. Sunny Pints, real estate, Villages, Elite golf carts over there, chiropractors, Medicare place, lawyer offices. Back there at Wildwood, that's a trailer park RV place right there. You can rent places in there by the month. We used to go in that red building right there. That used to be a...
It's a thrift store.
It used to be a thrift store. It's not anymore though, right?
It still is.
Huh?
Yeah, it still is. It's veterans.
Well, I thought they moved out, went somewhere else. Up here at this lights where we turn left to head down toward the village of DeLuna. And as you can see, as the villages keep building more and more, look at the lines you're in at the stoplight just to turn left. Right over there is a discount store for auto parts. I go in there once in a while to get stuff. They're a little pricier in there than most, but once you look at it, it's a screwed up store. You can't turn left here to get there. You literally got to make a U-turn in this intersection to get over there, which really that's kind of a dangerous thing to do. And once you're in that parking lot, they sealed it off on the back side. That's the way we used to go into Oh Shucks. We could cut through that parking lot and go to Oh Shucks parking lot over there, but they sealed it off. So now you can't even get to Oh Shucks from this side. I don't know if my camera's picking any of this stuff up. There's Sunoco gas station over there. I wouldn't recommend anybody to go in there and buy gas at night. That's just my opinion. It's a dangerous place. A lot of undesirables hangs around there at night. Sue just advised me, I just now noticed it myself, that the Sunoco over here sold out to 7-Eleven. Actually, that's a good thing, because I'm telling you, at nighttime, there were undesirables that hung around in there all night long. So maybe 7-Eleven will clean it up. Wildwood, for the better or for the worse, depending on how you look at it, is in for some major changes because of the village's growth. You're going to see businesses come in, and the old businesses are going to, either they're going to have to change or they're going to go out. We're finally making a move. This is 301 in Wildwood.
Continue on US 301 south for 1.5 miles.
We're going to go down here to, I'll call it the new DeLuna entrance. I'm not sure how new it is, but it's one of the newer entrances. There's lots of places over here to the right and to the left little roads that goes places. I have no idea where. That's Interstate 75 up there. I want you to relate some of this to some of the news that I've read you about. A lady came from Brownwood in a golf cart. She drove down this road in a golf cart and went up here. And she entered I-75 up here in her golf cart. Now, ask yourself, how drunk do you have to be to drive down this road in a golf cart and get on that ramp right there to get on Interstate 75 and not realize that you made a mistake? And she didn't. She was on the interstate, and the police came out and actually pulled her over and had her golf cart towed because she didn't realize. She thought she was heading home. This is an entrance off of 301 to DeLuna. Marsh Bend Trail. Apparently the road ends here. So this is the newer entrance right here. So here's the entrance to the village of DeLuna, Poplar Village, coming in off of 301 from Wildwood. And as you can see, truthfully, maybe it's just me, I don't see much difference between this village or any other one. They might change some home designs, things like that, but I mean the overall look of the exterior. One thing they have down here that I do like, not that I would use them, but I do like the idea that they have walking trails that are basically for walking only. Golf carts and things aren't supposed to be on them. But then somebody told me you could take bicycles on them, which I don't understand that at all. To me, it just defeats the whole purpose. If you have bicycles on it, then it's just a matter of time. Somebody will have a skateboard. I mean, it's just a matter of time. We have arrived, it said. And as you can see, they're still working around here. Well, I come over here to watch Jeremy. He took out all the racks in here. He's going to do a closet organizer, a complete closet organizer, I guess you would call it. And he's filling in the holes where the shelves were mounted. He was saying that it's probably going to take somewhere in the neighborhood of 2, maybe 3 days of getting everything put in here.
Yeah, by myself.
So it's very possible I may have to come back over here again to get the final result. What kind of system we putting in here, Jeremy?
Closet system, modular.
Well, I mean, this adjustable shelves, is that what this is here?
That's so you can adjust shelves or adjust the height of the rods. You can change your mind and change it from hanging to shelves or from shelves to hanging.
Okay, so this is what you're installing now?
Yep.
Oh, so there's going to be drawers here?
No, down there where there's
this
no
is the whole
panels
wall?
yet. Yep, this is just those first 3 sections.
Oh, so you're doing this.
Yep.
The next will be the doors, and then the next will be up there.
Yeah.
Looks good. Okay, everybody, we're done here in the custom closet. This is Jeremy from Fitted Furniture. You saw that video before. He's going to go through this and kind of explain kind of what he did and maybe some of the things that you might be interested in.
So this material is called melamine. They chose white, but melamine is a coating over particle board, and there's nothing wrong with that unless it gets wet. It is a little more stable than cabinet grade plywood, but I can use real wood, any material you'd like. These holes make it modular, adjust the height of the shelves, the hanging rods. Don't want the hanging rods anymore in there. I can change it to shelves or hamper, drawers, anything can be rearranged. So we have chrome rods, matching chrome handles on the drawers.
Now this is 10-foot ceilings in here, right?
Yep.
And these are 8 foot tall.
Yep.
But if somebody wanted to go clear to the ceiling, you can do that.
I can do that and finish it off with crown molding. And I think this customer is actually going to add crown molding around the top of this.
And as far as drawers go, these are all custom made.
Yep.
You build them.
100%.
And we can put them anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if a person says they want a big drawer here, you can build one and put it in there. And they're soft close.
Soft close, right? Yep. Still have to be cleaned out, but these are actually real hardwood. This starts out as a rough cut, basically just a slab off a log, and I mill it down into boards.
People's going to ask about the baseboard. What do you do with that?
A shorter baseboard that's more common, I just take it out.
Okay.
And this one I just notch in between, and I'm going to caulk everywhere that I cut the baseboard.
Okay. And is it mounted to the wall somehow?
Yeah. I don't know if your camera will reach up there, but there's brackets to every stud.
Wait a minute.
You want a ladder? Or?
No.
See the brackets?
Oh, there it is, right there.
Yeah, there's one on almost every stud.
Yeah. There's the other one down there. These are 12 inches wide.
Yep, 12 inches in depth. This is 16. And 16 to make more room for the drawers. The shelf sections are 14. I call these double hangs because there's two. Here's a long hang for dresses. Then we got a single half hang, I guess you could call it, and shoe shelves.
And these can be adjusted.
Yep.
Anywhere up and down.
Exactly.
Right.
I just lift out. Over in the corners, a medium hang for slacks or pants. I can also do built-in hampers. There's all kinds of accessories.
Well, it looks good, Jeremy. Looks good. Now, other than white in this material, which I like when it's a clean look, does it come in any other colors?
Yes, this material comes in probably 100 different colors.
Okay.
Solid and faux wood grain.
Okay.
It looks stained. And I can also use real wood and do any custom finish.
But any upgrades, any changes adds to the price.
Yeah.
Depending on what it is.
Yeah.
Like the more drawers, the more expensive it's going to be.
Yeah, real wood is more expensive.
Real wood. In your experience in an average closet, how many drawers does a person really need?
A lot of them, well, I'd say the majority don't put any in the closet. The ones that do a single stack.
Because I know Sue's got a lot of shoes.
Mm-hmm.
What do you do about that?
If you want to get fancy, I
don't want to get fancy.
Well, this one of the upcoming ones. These shelves are gonna. That's a fixed shelf. These shelves are gonna be on an angle like this for shoes,
You put a
and a chrome fence.
Like I say, have your people talk to my people, and my people let me know what I'm doing.
We'll do it.
My people being Sue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how far behind are you right now?
This customer is going to do a couple more projects.
Okay.
Well, I have one other repeat customer and then a new one I met with this morning. That's
okay. So,
but they're not installing theirs till February. So
couple weeks, 2 weeks out, 3 weeks
3 to
out.
4 weeks, boy.
How's your hand?
Oh, it's finally usable now.
Good.
It was about 6 weeks, so I couldn't do much.
Yeah. those of you who don't know, he hurt his hand real bad, and he couldn't do anything for how long? Was it 6 weeks?
Yeah, for 3 weeks I couldn't do anything, and then a little light duty after that.
Well, good. Now you're back. Now you can start making money.
Yep, definitely back now.
All right. Well, Jeremy, thanks for letting us video all this. I've been coming over here now. This is what, my 3rd day, I think, coming over here.
Yeah.
So I'll try to put this together. I know it's not going to be something that interests everybody, but it'll interest a few. Mm-hmm. And I know Linda's already been over and checked it out. I don't know what she talked to you about, but I'm sure she's got something going on.
Nothing yet, but hopefully.
Are you going to go? Any kind of wood. Here's my favorite place to get a burger and a beer. Right there. Right there. That's Oh Shucks. You see the handicap parking? It's under the shade tree. And there's a thrift shop there that's long gone, now for sale. Are you going to turn right?
No, I'm going to the post office.
Oh, we're going to the post office. Over there, CVS here in Wildwood. This over here is a Shell station. It's been there forever. I call it a Shell. They call it Circle K, but it's a Shell station. Gas is it says 307, but that's probably cash. I'm looking to see if, it changed, 317, yeah. 317 to use a credit card. Oh, our favorite gas station up there, the Sunoco gas station, I think, has 2 police cars sitting in there with the lights going. Ooh, had a drug sniffing dog out. I think that's fairly new. I don't remember seeing golf carts parked there before.
That was never there.
Huh?
That was never there.
Yeah, another golf cart store popping up. There's Spectrum. Just kind of videoing out the side window so you kind of see part of what Wildwood really is. Those are old cracker houses back there. Post office. I went inside with Sue. Thought I'd go in there and just, I don't know, nib around. There's a line in there that goes, the front of the where you drop packages off is clear up here. Goes all the way down here, through the doors, and goes that way, all the way to the back of the post office. See them in there standing? And I'm just there watching these people just piling in there. I'm watching people and all the dumb parking.